Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. In this video, whatever Alipay problem you might have, whether Alipay International or Chinese version of Alipay, and you want to contact Alipay Hotline for a quick response and a quick support to fix whatever Alipay problem you might have with your Alipay account, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you get their hotline and how you can contact them to fix whatever Alipay problem you have. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get a hotline. Then from there, you can easily get the hotline contact and dial it on your phone. Speak with a live agent that can solve whatever Alipay problem you have. So I'm going to go ahead and click on account right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click balance. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my customer support, my customer service. Then here you go. Take a look at the number from the top in your account right here. You can see Chinese and English service hotline. Just dial this number on your phone and speak to a live agent. Complain with whatever issue you might have with your Alipay account, and they will definitely solve the problem without any stress. If you still have any issue or concern about your Alipay account, consider to put the issue in the comment section of this video, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Let me see if I can help you out. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay related topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.